All the peppers still growing. Oh yes. Jalapenos, y'all just want to keep growing. That's good. Look at the bell pepper plant. You still trying to produce. Okay, come on. Look, I finally have some spinach germinating in this container. Okay, come on, spinach. Come on, spinach. I see you. I see you. Come on. Rest of y'all, come on and grow. I also see some lettuce finally germinating too. I see you a little bit, a little bit. Okay, I see you. Come on. See you way over there, okay. I see some weeds trying to come back in here too. I'm gonna have to pull them out. But I see some lettuce trying to come up. Over here, I have some of my green beans and my yellow wax beans are germinating, are growing. Look at y'all. Okay. I see you right there. Okay, green bean and yellow wax bean. Come on and grow. I see some weeds over here I still got to pull out too that's trying to grow back. I see some beans are starting to grow. Over here, I see more germination around my cabbage that I planted. In the middle, I think that's the carrots I sowed seeds, and on each side there, I think that's the celery. And I see some onion coming up. Cabbage and celery. See, I may have sowed too many seeds together in this area here with the cabbage. And there's some more onions right there. I have to wait and see when they all come up because I can't remember where I put what, but I think that's onion I put on the back, front and back, and that's supposed to be some more cabbage. So I should have 4 in each one. I said that. So that I think this is cabbage and that's cabbage growing there. I got too many seeds I sowed in that area. And all that's mixed in with the celery. Over there I can see onions, cabbage growing over there as well. Okay. Keep growing, keep growing. Sow some onions in this bed. Bunching onions to kind of help protect the collard greens when they're coming up from the bugs. Come on, collard greens. Come on back on that. An okra plant, you never fail. You still producing too. Got a harvest you this morning. Look at that, look at that, all of that okra. That's why I say you got to come out every day because they have some more growing for you every day. Got to get them while they at a good size. Can't get them while they get too big. It won't be good to eat. Okay, okra. Look at my Jamaican sorrel. Oh, they coming up. They trying to bloom good. Oh, yes. Come on, Jamaican sorrel. Look at the little flowers coming up. The little fruit. Okay, Okay, Jamaican sorrel, my first year growing up. Oh, okay. Y'all, come on. Continue to grow and get bigger so I can enjoy making a good drink out of you. Yes. Basil over here continuing to grow beautiful. And look at you, pomegranate tree. You standing up tall. I see you. Your branches are standing straight out. I see you. Okay, come on. Now I'm gonna have to take you in during the winter time to save you from the cold weather. I don't want the weather to kill you. I don't want the cold weather to kill you. I want you to be able to produce something for us next spring or summer. Look, my Jamaican sorrel has some little flowers growing on them now. You have to come out in the morning and see them open up. I'm sure that's when they're gonna show their beauty, in the morning. Okay, Jamaican sorrel.